Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I wanted to spice up my hair a little bit. I want to try to do like hair wrap braids in my hair. I went to the Dollarama. Dollarama kind of goes like so hard. They've got, yeah, they had a bunch of different colors of like bead sets. I got the blue kind of dark one, I guess. And I also got some twine or whatever this stuff is called. So I got a bunch. I think my pack came with like 9, but there was a lot of blues. So I'm going to attempt to do like a blue braid look. Now, I've never done this before, so we're gonna try it. I'm pretty crafty, so I feel like I can do it. I think for my first one, I think I'm gonna do a dark blue and a black for my first braid. Now, I've looked up how to do it. This girl didn't add beads to hers, but we're gonna hope we can figure that out. What you're gonna wanna do first is get a yarn about like a full arm's length across. I think you're, better safe than sorry to just like cut more than you need. Now, you're gonna meet them together at the top. So my blue's a little bit longer, not a big deal. I'm just gonna cut this little axis off. I got them pretty damn close though. Now, kind of figure out where you want it in your hair. I think I'm gonna do like around 4 braids. And I definitely want one visible one at the front here. Put my hair up in a crazy do so I can have a better view of what I'm going to be braiding. So get your piece of hair that you're going to be braiding and then just braid this piece in a normal 3-strand braid. Now I've just got like a small elastic, block that off. Now we've got our braid. That was easy. Okay, maybe this won't go horribly. So next thing you want to do, get those 2 pieces of string we just put together. Find the middle, fold them in half, and then you're going to want to get up to the very top of the braid and tie your 2 pieces of string in a knot around the braid. So try to get it all the way up to the top, and then I'm just going to wrap it around the back once again, twist, and just tie another knot just to really get it stuck in there. Now that we have our 3 braid, 2 strings, okay, we've got 3 pieces, we can now do a regular old braid again. I have braided like an inch down. Now I'm going to attempt to add a bead. Oh my gosh, so many options. Should I try to do like a big bead to start? Something crazy? I'm actually gonna separate 2 of the strings just to get the bead on easier. All right, bead is in. Keep braiding. Here's you one more bead. Oh, I've got it. Okay, now I'm just gonna go in with another elastic. Don't cut your actual hair, but yeah, cut off any excess. I'm gonna leave like a little bit. Wow. Yep, that looks sick. Okay, I'm gonna do a few more. I'll let you guys know how it looks. I think this one was pretty successful though. I'm back. I've done like 3 on each side. 3 and 3 on that side as well. These are really, really pretty. That was pretty easy. So it did take me about an hour to do all this probably, but I really like it. I feel like it would be really nice on thin hair too, because my thick ass hair, it's hard to see all of it's hard to find them all, but they're there. I hope you guys enjoyed that short video. If you guys try this out, let me know. My TikTok is linked below. I would love to see your hair. See you guys next time.